Hello, Paweł and Maciej. Hope you are doing well.
Hi, Isa, I'm fine, thank you.
Hi, Isa. I am fine too, thank you.
That's good. Paweł, first of all, I would like to thank you very much for your willingness and your time to be here and our cooperation. I would like to ask you about our mutual success, VAIOT project. At the beginning, could you please tell us what your company is doing?
Yes, so first of all, thank you very much for the invitation, and I'll be happy to share some information about the company and about the project. So VAIOT is a technological company combining two major technological trends, so artificial intelligence and blockchain. And what we do is we are developing an IVA, so intelligent virtual assistant, and the main difference between VAIOT and other personal assistants that you may find on the market, for example, Siri or Alexa, is that VAIOT is strictly business-oriented. So it was created specifically to digitize business processes. And first of all, and this is what we are doing right now, we are developing a new digital intelligent communication channel for our clients for them to offer it to their customers. And second of all, and this is our future ultimate goal, is to develop a virtual AI legal assistant to provide legal services such as digital blockchain-based contracts, but traditional contracts as well based on an extensive legal database.
Excellent. Could you please share with us much more information, much deeper information about VAIOT project?
Yes, so I'll stick to the present situation, to the present moment. So the AI assistant that we are building right now is dedicated to multiple clients in different economic industries. Whenever you have a business process that can be digitized, whenever you are selling your products or services in a digital channels, or whenever you are serving your clients digitally, you can have, using VAIOT's technology, you can have your own AI assistant. You can deliver it to your customers via, for example, mobile application. And I'm not talking here about a simple chatbot. I'm talking here about an AI assistant using speech recognition that can have an actual conversation with your customer, that will gather the input, that will gather the customer requirements, and can even prepare an offer, dedicated, personalized, highly personalized offer for your customer, consisting of your products and or services. So we are talking here about an intelligent sales channel, intelligent service distribution channel, and in the end, you also have blockchain here. So every data that the assistant gathers or that the customer is providing to the assistant can be recorded on the blockchain, and therefore, for example, if you are selling an insurance policy to your customer, the terms and conditions of such insurance policy can be recorded on the blockchain, therefore making sure that the data is undeniable and there is no manipulation on the data. And in regards to technology, VAIOT obviously is using a lot of its own technological components, but as a basis, foundation for our assistant, we are using IBM Watson, right? So what we did is we did a joint proof of concept project with our partner IBM in technologies and services, and we combined our development teams. So we had IBM Watson experts from your side. We had our own developers, blockchain experts. We had our analysts working together to evaluate actually whether Watson is a suitable solution for us to build an AI assistant. And this allowed our development team to go further into the development alone and to build a minimum viable product that we want to offer to the market right now. And obviously we are using IBM Watson now.
Excellent, that's really nice to hear. And I have a question to Maciej. Maciej, I know you were engaged in a proof of concept with our business partner, with company, and I have a question. What would you like to show, what would you like to prove, and what would you like to test?
So during POC, we built a few things. First of all, we created API facade for a VAIOT mobile client. This API engine connects several services used by VAIOT, that is Watson Assistant for sure, to process any conversation, MongoDB NoSQL database to store data retrieved by Watson from user utterances, and also to store final contract data. And finally, several dedicated functions supporting Watson Assistant, especially user-provided data verification, as well as TomTom location services. Any other services can be added, especially blockchain mentioned by Pawel, which is expected in the final solution. What is important here is that by using API, Watson can directly speak to these services during the conversation to verify data provided by the user. API engine is written in TypeScript and runs on Node.js in the IBM public cloud as a Cloud Foundry application. This really simplifies any installation, operation, and management tasks.
All right, and one more question. In your opinion, what is the value of Watson Assistant in this specific project?
Well, as part of POC, we defined in Watson Assistant the core of the final dialogues. We focused on the most complicated parts of the conversation to prove and to show how to use Watson services in the VAIOT solution. So we presented how to gather a lot of information from the user in a single dialogue, how to control the dialogue flow, how to go forward and backward, and repeat data entry if requested, how to automatically gather several dictionary data from single user utterance, how to handle digressions and unexpected answers, and how to create conditional conversation flow in the dialogue, asking different questions depending on previous answer, and gathered data or just missing items. Watson Assistant also enabled the user to list and retrieve details about his contracts, which were stored in the MongoDB database. Well, Watson did a great job here, enabling very natural conversation flow, and that was expected by VAIOT.
Wow, so seems to be that's very advanced functionalities. And Paweł, question to you. In your opinion, what is the typical business value and what customers can gain from this product, this solution?
Well, the business value really depends on whether we are talking about our client or the end customer. But what companies gain is first of all, they gain very novel, very unique, intelligent, digital channel for sales, for service, for customer service, for service distribution, for marketing communication. It is another level of customer experience, very personalized customer experience. And what you can get is increased revenues, obviously, increased market penetration as well, and you can tackle customers that are more used to digital channels. What else you can get is reduced operational cost due to the business process improvement and due to the automation. You can also get high availability of your digital channels due to the fact that this is an AI assistant, right? This can be a 24/7, 365 service. And as this is an AI assistant utilizing natural user interface, utilizing speech recognition, learning from each experience with each customer separately, this allows for a high user experience. This allows for very personalized user experience, right? And then we have blockchain at the end. So in many sectors, in many industries, this can be this might be important to have the data recorded on the blockchain. In some of the industries, it might be even required by law or by the regulators. And blockchain allows for the data on being recorded on the blockchain on an immutable ledger. It cannot be manipulated, right? And since we are talking about the business value for the companies, I think it might be good to show now a short video visualizing VAIOT's functionality, a video that we've prepared some time ago, even before we entered into cooperation and built the POC together with IBM. But I think it might be good for our audience to understand what VAIOT does and how it works. So let's see the video maybe.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is VAIOT. I help to conduct safe transactions across the world. What is your name?
My name's Claudia.
How can I help you, Claudia?
I want to sell a car.
Who do you want to sell the car to?
Miguel Torres.
To create an intelligent contract, I need to authorize the other party via email address and mobile number. I have found this information on your iPhone. miguel.torres@gmail.com +44 7911 Do you confirm the email address and phone number? Miguel Torres is a legitimate VAIOT user verified via KYC procedure. What is the price of the car you wish to sell?
$39,000.
Okay, I will prepare an intelligent contract for you. To do so, I need to get a few more details about the vehicle. Would you prefer to give me the details or to scan the vehicle registration certificate?
Let's scan the vehicle registration certificate.
Data confirmed. Would you like to add any more requirements to the intelligent contract?
I will add additional tyres to the vehicle. Technical inspection is valid up to the end of the year. I will pass the keys over to Miguel tomorrow.
I understand. I will add this information to the intelligent contract. Is there any other information I should add to the contract, or would you like to continue?
Let's continue.
We're almost done. In which currency do you wish to receive payment?
VAIOT.
In what language should I prepare the agreement?
English and Spanish.
Okay, I will prepare 2 versions of the agreement, in English and in Spanish. The preview of the terms of your intelligent contract has been generated. Do you confirm the terms of the intelligent contract? Your intelligent contract has been prepared. I will send the transaction agreement and intelligent contract details to Miguel Torres for approval. The intelligent contract will be issued when Miguel Torres accepts the terms.
Paweł, excellent. It was really nice to see that it is working, and it's really impressive. And the last question, if I may, what are other functionalities you plan, or maybe this is a secret?
Well, obviously I can share some of our development plans. Right now we are in constant development, so this is how you actually build that kind of solutions. The assistant is, the AI assistant is learning with each conversation, it is learning with each user. So we have the mobile application ready, we are testing extensively. We are now, and what we are now doing is we are obviously developing this intelligent sales channel, the intelligent service distribution channel, mainly focusing on the insurance sector. But what we want to do in the future, and what is our ultimate goal, as I mentioned in the beginning, is to become a legal tech company. So to deliver this AI legal assistant, both to consumers and the businesses. So basically, whenever you have a legal department, you might support your legal department, your legal workforce, with an AI legal assistant to automate some of the easier tasks, some of the basic tasks, legal activity that you might have. Therefore, moving your legal workforce to more advanced activities, and therefore getting more value out of your legal department. And if you don't have a legal department, you can always have your AI lawyer in-house, right? To maybe get some easier tasks, more basic tasks done, and not to use sometimes costly and sometimes expensive, sometimes time-consuming traditional legal services. So basically, this is what we are doing now, and this is also what we are planning to do in the future.
Excellent. So what can I say? I'm really happy that we've done this project together, and I'm looking forward for next steps of our cooperation and partnership. And once again, Pawel, Maciej, really thank you very much for attending this seminar. Thank you to all of you, dear customers, and I wish you all the best and stay healthy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.